kids. My name is Joiful Horsey. Are you ready to read with me? Yes.
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Before we begin our story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are going to read the book 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids a-courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids awaiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. 21, 22, shoe, fox, shoe. 23, 24, home once more. 25, 26, let's get this fixed. 27, 28, fasten the gate. 29, 30, you're safe now, Gertie. Can you spot the differences between these two pictures? There are 6 to find. You can pause the video right now. Puzzle number 2. Choose the best phrase for each picture. And puzzle number 3. Put the pictures in order. You can pause the video right now. Here are the answers to the puzzles. Good job! Yay! The end. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.